Hello guys, today in this video I will tell you four formulas that we have to know if we are prepping for the SAT test. One of those formulas, the first one is volume of rectangular prism. The volume of rectangular prism is area of base multiplied by the height of rectangular prism. Area of base, as you see, it is WL. So it must be WL multiplied by H. That is the volume formula. The second formula is surface area. Surface area is, this part is HW and we have twice of it. So twice of HW plus this is LH, and because we have the same thing in the back, twice of LH, and the last one is area of base, which is WL, and we have the same thing here, so it is the same thing, twice of WL. What we will do, twice of HW, all combinations like LW and HL. This is surface area. The third formula is lateral area. Lateral area is just like sum of the area of the sides, like this is HW, this is LH, this is HW, this is same thing, LH, and we will have twice of LH plus HW. And lastly, sometimes they ask question related with this formula, so it would be better if you know which is longest diagonal. Longest diagonal has a formula like square root of length square plus width square plus height square, and the longest diagonal is this diagonal from here to here, a straight line. So these formulas are the formulas. If you're prepping for the SAT, there are mainly four formulas that you have to know related with the rectangular prism, and the questions are most of the times related to the volume or the surface area. Still, it would be better if you know all those four formulas. Of course, like volume formulas are given on the test, this one, but the surface area, lateral area, or the longest diagonal as a formula, they're not given, they're not there in the formula sheet. Okay, wish you luck.